Hey guys, welcome back here to the channel. So it's time for some Dentside content. So my boy has got that 77 Ford right there. It's an F250. He's been working on it a lot and we got a lot of footage to show you. So stay tuned for this series. It's going to be multiple videos on all the stuff that he's been working on. So we're going to jump right into that. So we just moved the Ford over and we thought it was locked up. But we got underneath there and turned it, and it turned. So we're going to put a battery to it, throw a little bit of starting fluid, and see what she does. I know it was ticking, but we're going to try to troubleshoot this a little more before we go ripping the motor out. So James putting in a battery. We're going to see if this little girl will start. If so, we still know that there's an issue of a ticking or a knocking, but at least we'll be able to determine, do we really want to yank this out or just drop the oil pan. All right, we'll put a little starting fluid in. Let's see. Well, she definitely wants to try. Let's give her another squirt. Not much in that can. She's definitely trying. I think this can's about empty, son. All right, well, that can's empty, so next step, gas. All right, got a little bit of gas in there. Let's see what she does now. A little bit of dust. Well, she's definitely ticking, but she runs. It sounds like a tick and not a knock, so might be able to just pull in valve covers and see which one is giving us an issue.
Hi guys, this is James. I've been working in the shop and I've been working on my truck, my 1977 Ford F250. At first I thought the engine was seized, but after it sat for a little while it must have unlocked because it turned by hand just fine. And then we started having problems with the fuel pump down here. This little guy. It wasn't pumping correctly. So, me being me, I like to tinker with small things. So I started screwing with it, and I think I got it working. So let's see if she'll start up. Alright, let's see if she'll start. Starts right up. And as you can see, she's running fine. Now, she may not be the cleanest sounding vehicle right now, but that's some project for later on. But so far, I'm just happy it runs. And we'll see what we do next. I'll leave it to my dad to figure that out.
So there you have it, guys. If you liked the video, definitely give it that thumbs up, and be sure you click the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss out on future videos, because we are going to continue this series on the 77 Ford and watch all the things that the boy's doing. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.